In this question, we know the sum of the zeros of the polynomial 4x square plus kx minus 1, and we need to find the value of k. So our polynomial is 4x square plus kx minus 1. Let us compare this with standard form of the polynomial. Our standard form will be ax square plus bx plus c. So when I compare these two polynomials, the value of a will be 4, the value of b is k, and the c value is minus 1. Now as per the question, sum of zeros sum of zeros is 2. So we know that sum of zeros of the polynomial is minus b by a. So minus b by a equal to, let me take 2. The value of b is k. So minus k by the value of b is 4 equal to 2. So minus k equal to 4 is shifted that side. So we'll get 2 into 4. So minus k equal to 8. Therefore, my value is, the k value is minus 8. In this question, given that product of the zeros of the polynomial 8x square minus x plus k equal is minus 1 by 2, and we need to find the value of k. So our polynomial is 8x square minus x plus k. Let us compare this with standard form. Our standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. So when I compare these two polynomials, our a value will be 8 and b will be minus 1, c equal to k. So as per the question, product of zeros is minus 1 by 2. So given product of zeros equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we know that the product of the zeros of the polynomial is c by a. So c by a equal to minus 1 by 2. Now c by a is used to find the product of zeros of the polynomial. So the value of c we already know, the k, let me take k here, k by the value of a is 8 equal to minus 1 by 2. Now go for cross multiplication. So k into 2 equal to, now this is multiplied with minus 1 into 8. So k equal to minus 8 by 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are. Therefore the value of k is minus 4. In this question, it is given that alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 6x plus k, and we need to find the value of k, given the condition is alpha square plus beta square equal to 40. Using this condition, let us find the value of k. So our polynomial is x square minus 6x plus k. Now let me compare this with the standard form of the polynomial. So ax square plus bx plus c. When I compare this polynomial with the given polynomial, the value of a will be 1, the value of b is minus 6, the value of c is k. The next, let us find sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a minus the value of b is minus 6. Let us take minus 6 divided by the value of a is 1. So minus into minus plus, 6 by 1 is 6. So alpha plus beta equal to 6. Now let us find alpha beta. Alpha beta nothing but product of zeros. So we can find product of zeros by using the formula c by a. So the value of c is k here, k by the value of a is 1. So k by 1 is k. So alpha beta equal to k. Now our condition is, given condition is alpha square plus beta square equal to 40. Now alpha square plus beta square can be taken as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equal to 40. So what I'm doing, I'm writing this alpha square plus beta square as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So already we know the value of alpha plus beta. The value of alpha plus beta is 6. So let me take 6 here, 6 square minus 2 into the alpha beta is k. Let us take k equal to 40. 6 square is nothing but 6 into 6, 36. 36 minus 2 into k, 2k equal to 40. So minus 2k equal to, now 36 is shifted that side. So 40, since you are plus here, so that becomes minus 36. So minus 2k equal to 40 minus 36 is 4. So k equal to 4 by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore, the value of k is minus 2. In this question, it is given that 10 of the polynomial 14x square minus 42k square x minus 9 is negative of the other 0, and we need to find the value of k. So let us take the first 0. Let the first 0 of the polynomial, that is alpha, equal to, let me take k. Now given that the second 0 is negative of the first 0, so then our second 0 will be, second 0, that is beta, will be the minus k. The negative of this is minus k. Now our polynomial is 14x square minus 42k square x minus 9. Let us compare this standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. Now when I compare this with the polynomial, the value of a will be 14, b is minus 2, k square, c equal to minus 9. Now let us go for sum of zeros. Sum of the zeros of the polynomial can be found by using the formula minus b by a. So minus b by a is a formula used to find the sum of the zeros. Here our zeros are, the first zero is k plus the second zero is minus k equal to minus the value of b is minus 42k square divided by the value of a is 14. So k, open the bracket, k plus c minus k equal to, so minus c minus plus, so 42k square by 14. K minus k is 0, 0 equal to 42k square by 14. The 14 shifted this side, so we'll get 0 into 14 equal to 42k square. 0 into something is 0, so 0 equal to 42k square. Now shifting this 42 this side, we get 0 by 42 equal to k square. 0 by something is 0, so k square equal to 0, the k equal to square root of 0, the k equal to 0.